A right person is someone who is honest, trustworthy, and dependable. They are someone who values honesty above all else and is always true to their word. They are someone who is always there for you no matter what and will always be your rock in times of need. They are someone who is kind and compassionate, who always treats others with respect and dignity. A right person is also someone who is open-minded and non-judgmental. They are someone who is willing to listen and understand, even if they don't agree with what is being said. They are someone who is inclusive and accepting of all people, no matter their race, religion, sexual orientation, or background. A right person is also someone who is genuine and authentic. They are someone who is true to themselves and their values, and they never try to be someone they are not. They are someone who is confident in their own skin and radiates positivity wherever Chinese letter PPPZUY they go. In short, a right person is someone who brings light into your life and makes you a better person. They are someone who makes you feel loved, valued, and appreciated, and they are someone who you are proud to call your friend, partner, or family member. A right person is someone who is not only honest and trustworthy, but they are also responsible and accountable. They take responsibility for their actions and are willing to make amends when they have made a mistake. They are someone who can be relied upon and you know that they will always follow through on their promises. A right person also has strong moral and ethical values. They are guided by their principles and are not afraid to stand up for what they believe in, even if it means going against the norm. They are someone who has integrity and always acts with integrity, regardless of the situation. In addition, a right person is someone who is supportive and encouraging. They are always there to lift you up when you are feeling down and to cheer you on when you are pursuing your dreams. They believe in you and your abilities, and they are always there to help you in any way they can. Moreover, a right person is someone who is empathetic and understanding. They are able to put themselves in other people's shoes and to understand the challenges that others are facing. They are compassionate and always willing to lend a hand to those in need. Finally, a right person is someone who is always growing and evolving. They are always seeking to learn and improve, and they are not afraid of change. They are open to new experiences and new ways of thinking, and they are always working to be the best version of themselves. In conclusion, a right person is someone who brings positivity, love, and kindness into your life. They are someone who makes you feel appreciated, valued, and loved, and they are someone who you are proud to call your friend, partner, or family member. Finding the right person in your life can be a challenging process, but there are a few steps you can take to increase your chances of success. Know what you want. Before you start looking for someone, it's important to have a clear idea of what you want in a partner. Make a list of the qualities and values that are important to you, such as honesty, kindness, or dependability. Be open to new experiences. The right person may not come into your life through your usual social circles, so be open to meeting new people and trying new things. Join clubs, attend events, or take classes in areas that interest you. Practice self-care. Taking care of yourself is an important step in attracting the right person into your life. When you feel good about yourself, you are more likely to attract positive and healthy relationships. Be yourself. Authenticity is key to attracting the right person into your life. Don't try to be someone you're not or hide your true self to impress someone. Instead, be yourself and be confident in who you are. Focus on shared values. When you meet someone who shares your values and interests, you have a strong foundation for a relationship. Pay attention to how your values align and look for shared goals and aspirations. Be patient. Finding the right person takes time, so be patient. Don't settle for someone who is not a good match for you just because you want to be in a relationship. The right person will come into your life when the time is right.